Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Today we're going to install a MaxxAir Maxx Fan. The Maxx Fan is the only complete RV ventilation system that incorporates a vent, fan, and rain protection in a single all-in-one unit. It brings the fresh air in and it removes the stale, musty air in any weather, rain or shine. It's the only RV ventilator fan with a built-in rain cover. The Maxx Fan comes available in manual and automatic opening models with remote control, and it fits in any standard 14 by 14 inch roof opening. It can be in a fully closed or fully open position when the vehicle's moving, and the fan can run in the ceiling fan mode when the lid is closed. The Maxx Fan comes with a 2-year limited warranty with a lifetime limited warranty on the lid. Now let me show you how easy it is to install the Maxx Fan. Prior to installation, refer to the supplied operating instructions regarding the model you have purchased. The Maxx Fan installs into a standard RV roof opening of 14 by 14 inches. To determine if your roof opening is correctly sized, simply remove the interior ceiling garnish trim ring of your existing roof vent and measure the ceiling opening, or verify the opening is large enough by sliding the Maxx Fan interior garnish trim ring into the opening. Due to the exhaust intake louvers that face the rear of the vehicle, the Maxx Fan requires a roof area clear of obstructions such as air conditioners for at least 8 inches to the rear of the existing standard roof vent flange outer rear edge. The Maxx Fan is designed for a minimum roof thickness of 1 1/8 inches to a maximum of 6.5 inches. If your roof thickness is less than 1 1/8 inches, build additional thickness at the ceiling opening using wood or other suitable material. The Maxx Fan requires a minimum 12-volt DC 5-amp service. Confirm that the circuit you intend to use will accommodate the additional load. Use the proper gauge stranded wire for electrical connections. Step 1. Maxx Fan requires a 14 by 14 inch roof opening. If you are replacing another type already installed, remove the old existing roof vent. Remove all old roof sealant for a minimum of 2 inches entirely around the roof opening. Place the Maxx Fan roof receiving flange into the roof opening and trace a pencil line around it to verify the clean seal area that will be required. Note that the roof receiving flange must be centered in the roof opening with the metal clips facing the sides of the vehicle, not facing the front or rear of the vehicle. Step 2. Caution. When installing your roof flange, only use a caulking sealant compatible with the flange plastic product and the roof surface. Do not use materials containing solvents such as or similar to xylene, toluene, methyl ethyl ketone, acetate, or acetone, as they can damage the flange. Also, polysulfide type sealants must be avoided. Sealants such as Dicor 501 self-leveling lap sealant have proven to be suitable for this installation. Prior to installing the roof flange into the roof opening, apply a continuous strip of butyl caulk to the underside of the flange, making sure to cover the screw holes. Insert the roof flange into the opening. Step 3. Fasten the roof receiving flange to the roof with the screws provided. Screw the flange to the roof, making sure not to over-tighten the screws to avoid cracking the flange. After the roof flange has been installed, remove the excess butyl caulk that may have squeezed out. Using a sealer such as Dicor 501 LSW self-leveling lap sealant, apply a daub over every exposed screw head. In addition, apply a bead approximately 3/16 of an inch along the outside edge of the flange all the way around the vent. Caution. Disconnect main vehicle power before connecting 12-volt DC power to the Maxx Fan. Maxx Fan must be fully open prior to proceeding to step 4. Turn the knob to fully raise the vent lid. On the non-remote controlled Maxx Fan, the knob must be pulled out to unlock before you can turn the knob. Step 4. Using the insulated 16-gauge electrical connectors provided, connect the vehicle 12-volt power to the two Maxx Fan power wires located on the driver's side of the Maxx Fan. The Maxx Fan black wire identified with a tag showing positive must be connected to the vehicle 12-volt positive supply. Step 5. Confirm that the 4 metal mounting clips are firmly in place on the roof receiving flange. With the Maxx Fan open and the exhaust intake louvers facing the rear of the vehicle, lower the Maxx Fan onto the roof receiving flange. Step 6. Verify the Maxx Fan is fully seated down on the roof receiving flange and fasten the Maxx Fan to the roof receiving flange using the 4 3/4 inch long by number 10 stainless steel screws provided. Caution: only use the screws provided specified for this installation, or internal damage and/or insecure mounting may result. This completes the rooftop portion of the installation. Reapply 12-volt vehicle power. The Maxx Fan will emit a beep sound to indicate power is properly connected. In addition, the remote control model will automatically close the vent cover. If the Maxx Fan does not beep when the power is connected, go back to step number 4. Confirm that proper connections were made and 12-volt power is on and available. For remote control models, refer to the operating instructions for use and testing of your remote control. Install 2 AAA batteries, follow the instructions, aim the remote at the ceiling unit, and test your fan. The remote control comes with a cradle for wall-mounted storage of the handheld remote control. Mount the cradle to your wall using the screws provided. Step number 7. The interior garnish trim ring must be trimmed to fit your particular RV roof thickness. To accomplish this, measure the distance from the vehicle ceiling surface to each corner of the Maxx Fan control plate. Most RV roofs have some slope, so measuring each corner is necessary. The garnish ring should be cut 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch longer than the dimensions measured at each corner. After adding 1/2 inch more, mark and draw a line on the outside of the garnish ring. Connect all 4 corners with a line at the required dimension and trim the ring accordingly. Step 8. Complete the installation by placing any excess wiring to the inside of the roof opening and sliding the garnish ring into position. Fasten in place using the 4 painted flathead screws provided. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the installation of your new Maxx Fan. That's a pretty straightforward installation, and once it's done, you have a powerful 10-speed fan with a thermostat and air intake and exhaust functions right at your fingertips. If you install the Maxx Fan yourself, always keep safety in mind, especially when working on the roof of the RV. If you don't feel comfortable doing the installation yourself, have your local MaxxAir dealer install it for you. Why not let the RV Ventilation Solutions pros take care of all of your RV ventilation needs? Take a minute to visit www.maxxair.com, and when you're at the website, you can search for a MaxxAir dealer close to you. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, be safe and happy camping.